Greetings folks, Sarvesh Patil here. I'm here to explain you about the AsyncAPI Generator project, what it is, how you can use it in your system locally. I'm not going to explain about the installation. For installation, I request you to refer the installation guide provided in the documentation. It's very easy and very well defined in the documentation. I'm simply going to give you an overview on what the project is and how you can use it. So let's begin. What is Generator project? Generator is a simple tool which gives you a specific desired output. It converts your code into, it provides you microservice for converting your code into the specific desired output. This is done by two main documents. The first one is async API documents and other is templates. Templates are provided by the async API itself. Here is a set of templates that they provide. If you require any other template as per your need, refer the document and you can make your own template. Getting to async API document. Async API document contains the content of the template. What you want to fill your template with. This has to be created by you. This can be into two format, that is JSON and YAML format. You provide async API document and a template to the generator. What our generator does, it simply converts this async API document into JSON format, a JavaScript friendly format, and validates the async API document and passes it to the template context. What this does is creates a raw format mixing this async API document and our template. It creates a raw format in mixing these two main documents and passes it to the rendering engine. Now here we have support of two rendering engines. One is React engine and other one is Nunjuncts. What these engines do is converts this template into a finished product, into a finished file. This could be any file, HTML file, markdown file, node.js file. The template you have chosen has converted into a finished file. This async API document is the content of this file. This sets the rules and protocols of these specific services. So that's all what the project is about. Let's get into working. I have created a YAML file already. Let's open this in VS Code. I'll just give you an overview. Yes, this is the YAML file where we have mentioned all the details of our project, of our simple document that we require, microservice that we are going to use. The title is going to be temperature service, and these are the parts where you mention everything about the output that you desire. These are the server protocols, these are the channels, these are the components. I have written a basic block explaining all these parts, so I would request you to refer that for easier understanding, and I also do suggest you to go through the documentation for better understanding. Let's get into coding. We will open this folder in terminal. We have our YAML file ready here, so let's simply take the commands. So yes, these are the commands they have already provided. This is the easiest command you can execute without setting up with your local setup. This simply takes the async API document from the cloud, from the internet they have posted. This is what we are going to use. This command is what we are specifically using. Here I'm simply changing our file name. Currently my async API document name is h1.yaml, and let's run this. Here you can see we are in Hacktober folder and a doc folder is created now, and everything is created. Now our output is present inside this doc folder. Yep, here we are. This whole HTML file is generated by our simple generator tool. We have used the JavaScript is present over here. It's a complete project. It's a complete setup that it has provided us. From where did it give us? It From this single YAML file we have got this output. Now I will show you uh, this command. It takes in the async API document from the URL itself. So I just need to execute the command. I need not to. I have to mention a file structure over here. First folder, and our output is ready. We can see that first folder is also created, and this will give you the same out. This is Streetlights API. This has been taken from the internet, the async API document, and the other document was temperature service. This was a simple async API document which I copied from the documentation itself. So I request you to go through the documentation once and understand the project well. This was just an overview on how you can use the async API document, async API tool, generator tool in your local system. This is the installation guide over here. Uh, I'll provide you the links of these resources on my blog itself. So, yep. Thanks for joining in, folks. Servicio signing off.